Who? My name is Steven Sushi.
Hey yo, what's cracking, YouTube family? Guys, so today I'm doing something different. I'm outside. I am not home, as you can probably tell. I'm chilling like a villain. And guys, check this out. I have Popeyes, because y'all be requesting some Popeyes. I haven't had Popeyes in a very, very long time. No interruptions. Just us on a beautiful day. Beautiful Friday. I got this box, and let me show you guys what I got. I got some fries, chicken, and a biscuit. Let's just try it because I haven't had Popeyes in forever. Wow. I think the best. Is it still recording? Sorry, there's a little battery thing said, please charge your battery. I'm gonna put it here. Hopefully it's gonna work because there is wind. So let's put a chicken there. But let's put my drink there so it doesn't fly off, you know? And a biscuit. Whoa, that's buttery. It's a buttery biscuit. You got a wing, whatever this is. This is the fries. Y'all probably can't even see me, huh? We got some dips right there. Move this a little back. Guys, can you see me? Oh, this is too close, huh? The neighbors are being very loud. Well, this is life. Let's put the dips right here. This is really close. Here are the next neighbors. Ooh, this ranch doesn't smell good. It's watery. Look how watery this is. Actually, ranch is pretty good. So, hot sauce, because, you know, soy Latino, and, you know, we love spicy. Little bone. It's like close up in your grill. You know, I'm not scared to do these kind of videos. But guys, we had some crazy stuff that happened today. This is crispy. I forgot to get honey. Came to visit some familia. Came to visit my familia today. I haven't seen my dad in a while, and I kind of want to hang out with him, you know? So. Popeyes is probably the best chicken I've ever had. Although, probably the most expensive chicken, I think, huh? Why is fried chicken so expensive? Somebody please tell me. Why is fried chicken so expensive? I can't even talk. Tearing it up. It's so good. If you guys like this close-up look, please let me know. I'll do more if you guys like this close-up, kind of like in your face type video, you know? That was bomb. Some more salsa or hot sauce. Can you guys just imagine, like, is your mouth watering yet? Mmm. Mmm. Bomb. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Y'all know if I say wow, wow, then it's bomb. If I don't say wow, wow, then it's alright, but wow, wow, wow. The juices. I know my nails are effed up, but I bite my nails down to the bone, literally. I have to stop biting my nails. Can somebody tell me some remedies of what I can do that'll help me stop biting my nails? This chicken's finger looking good. Sprite. Wow, wow. This chicken's so good. I can eat like a 10-piece. I should eat a bucket of chicken. If you want to see a bucket of chicken, let me know. Vegan. So good. Why is Popeye so good? It's like a secret recipe or what? Did I eat all my chickens already? Did I really eat all my chickens? If this video is cringe AF, give this video a thumbs up. This video is gonna be cringe AF. Probably. There's a hair. Do you see that? But it might be a chicken hair. It's alright. Won't kill me now. Ah. Is there any more chicken left on these bones? No, I clean that shit out. Damn. It's so good. Wow. That was good. Alright. Food's so good. I'm gonna go have dinner with my family. So y'all, I'm gonna vlog. It's my sister Ari's birthday today, so I'm gonna celebrate. to Mexican food. Yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you like these close-up videos, let me know down in the comments below. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, peace.